Hi guys, in today's video, I'll guide you through a quick and easy tutorial on updating or changing your CV or resume on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an excellent platform for job applications. However, since we often upload multiple CVs or resumes for different opportunities, it can sometimes get confusing with so many files. So in this video, I'll show you how to delete old CVs and then upload a new one to your LinkedIn job profile. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your homepage, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Under the Account section, click Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page. On the left column, select Data Privacy. Then, scroll down and click on Job Application Settings. Here, you'll see the section where you can upload or delete your CVs or resumes. For example, I recently updated my CV and want to upload it. But since an older CV is already here, I'll delete it first. To do this, click the three dots icon next to the file and then select Delete. Keep in mind this will permanently remove the file. Now let's upload the new CV. Click on the Upload Resume button. I recommend using the PDF format for your CV as it's secure and easy to use. Choose your updated CV file from your computer and upload it. And that's it. You've successfully updated and changed your CV on your LinkedIn job profile.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.